Today is a busy day in our backyard garden because we have a lot to do. We are going to prepare the gardens for planting. We are going to do some harvesting because there are some which have grown and we are going to harvest them. And we are going to plant some of the vegetables we have in our nursery bed. Kindly watch the video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for new video updates. This is our corn garden. In this garden we planted spinach and we are in a dry season. You can't believe that we watered this garden in the morning, but the soil looks so dry, so we keep watering both in the morning and in the evening. So here is the bed where we transplanted. We are covering all this part, but these ones have overgrown, and I think that's why they're disturbing us. So we are going to transplant these ones, but before we do so, we first have to soften the ground by watering. So these are the green pepper seedlings. So it is one bed, but we put other seeds, like we have there the ones for spinach, and here we have for collards, or you can call skuma wick, and there we had for beetroots, but for them we transplant and they are done. So this is the look of this bed where we put. So this is the garden where we put our bed. So this particular garden here, it's a corn garden, by the way, those not in a good state. We are going to remove each and everything, we clear it, and we plant green peppers here. So let us see how we do it. We have catnip, but sadly we are going to remove it. We are going to process this. We are going to process this into powder form. We want to use this garden for green peppers, so nothing to do. But good enough, we've already secured the seeds. We are going to be planting more of this. We have the seeds. So another one is this side. So we are going to process this and we start using it in a processed form. By the way, this is black nightshade, but the birds here, they ate it all. That's how it is looking like this. So we are going to get the seeds and we shall plant again. So we are going to use this tool because it is small. Remember here, you don't need a big hole. So you have to be gentle not to spoil this polythene sheet. Someone may be wondering why we left these gardens to look this bad, but we didn't intend this. We had gone for holidays and we took some time. It's one of the challenges of farming. Yeah, I should say it's one of the challenges of farming, because sometimes you need to go away. And you want to go with the gardens. So that's why these gardens are looking this bad. But we are going to do some good job and we are going to have them back to the good state they were. We shall be fixing it. It is torn, but you're not assembling a new garden. this corny garden with the beetroots, and they were hit by the sun. So for that case, they didn't do well. So we are going to harvest and we plant something else. We tried watering, that's why this one survived. I think we're going to remove the beetroots, we clear, and then we plant again. That is the state it is. So you see, they didn't do well. And we didn't even put soil or more soil. We should have added more soil, but because we had gone for holidays, but still we have something to eat. It is not a total loss. We are going to make juice. These corn gardens, when you make them using plastic sheets, there are some challenges which come along. Like when it is hit by the sun, it quickly tears up, which isn't the case with plastic bottles. These ones have been there even before we put the plastic sheet, but these ones are still fine, all strong, you know. And it's one way of recycling all the bottles, you know. See, so these ones tend to tear up. So what we are going to do for this particular garden, we are going to fix it. So we are going to get more sheets. Today we are going to plant, but later we shall get other sheets and we fix them, because if heavy rains come, they can just wash away everything because the garden is not protected. So today we are going to plant, but next time we are going to come with new plastic sheets and we fix all these parts which are not fine. So everything has good and bad, you know. So let's make holes in which we are going to plant. So after which we are going to fill them with manure. We are going to try to space them. Poultry droppings. So like I said last time, we packed this in a sack for like 3 weeks. So it has been this sack, so it produced heat. So for that case, it decomposed. So there's no heat at all, so we can safely apply it on our. So we are going to scoop some as we put in the holes in which we are going to plant. going to go ahead and mix up the soil before we plant. We mix the soil with the manure like this. We are going to plant green peppers, and this is the bed. And remember, we first watered them. That is very important, by the way, to safely transplant or to safely remove them from the nursery bed. That is very important because the ground is so soft. So the watering is going to start. So all this is skuma week, or you can call it collards. If you watched it till this far, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel in case you haven't subscribed, and kindly let me know in the comment section what you think about this kind of content, what you think about this video, what you think about my way of doing things, the way I do my gardening here at my channel. Remember to give this video a like. You can as well share with your friends and your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.